Welcome to Winpenny. Fine and Country are delighted to offer this beautiful home to the market. We are in the centre of the village of Kingston St Mary, a prime location, very close to the foothills of the Quantock Hills. But this fantastic Grade 2 listed home, first time to the market for years, you need to come and have a look at this one. Follow me. Outside is fantastic here. We're in 0.8 of an acre of incredibly private gardens. You really can't see in and you can't see out. In addition to the formal gardens, we have a really useful barn studio, which offers a great amount of potential if you want to, or just somewhere to put all your bits and bobs. Don't miss this opportunity to buy this amazing house. Give us a call, 01823 43 500.